difficult part for me was I'm an offshore field engineer for Schlumberger. So I'm constantly out at sea as I am today. I couldn't join with the video hence. So, and once I'm offshore, there is very limited connectivity and no scope of giving the exam until I'm back. And before I could give my reattempt, and I really felt like I needed one because I just thought I had a bad day. I was back offshore and, I couldn't really get a chance to give the exam again for almost, 1.5, 2 months. I finally was due to travel offshore again last week. So it was the last chance I had before round one. I had already started working on my applications. So 4 days, 4 to 5 hours of just practicing and getting my speed back, which, naturally declines if you are off from the studies for,
So 4 to 5 days of intensive study, I think, is what did the trick for you, right? Afterwards, second time?
Yes, it was basically, getting back to my past. I believe it's so much about confidence of you sitting in the exam, because the very first time I gave the exam, I was really struggling with my timing, and I was, having to make so many smart guesses just to make sure that I keep pace with the exam and finish it on time.
And it improved so much after that you finished both the sections much before time, and you were disappointed that you didn't get Quant 51, I guess, and this 50, right?
Yeah, exactly.